What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jason, with another video. And today we're gonna be making another slime. Alright, guys? Oh my god. Alright, so what you need to make fluffy slime is contact solution. We're gonna try using clear glue to see if it works. And foam, shaving cream. Alright, you're gonna if you're wondering what that yellow stuff is, I made another slime, and it was yellow, and I stopped playing with it for a while, and it got hard, and then it got stuck. But I tried to clean it out, and if you see all that, like, I don't know, like if you see little stuff like that, that's on the outside, I think, yeah. But that's not gonna bother the slime if it's on the outside. Alright, so first what you want to do is pour the glue into the bottle. Hold on, guys. No, I was just checking if anybody was outside. But yeah, guys, so this is the clear glue. I love this. Ready? Alright, guys. So that's the clear glue. Alright, guys. Then what you want to do is put some shaving cream. This is new, so it's pretty good. Oh, I'll be right back. I forgot a spoon. Alright, guys, I found a fork, and so we're gonna start mixing it. I have hiccups. Shout out to Jayla and Jada twins. I've been doing videos with them, so shout out. Leave in the comments if you want me to shout you out, and I'll promise that I'll do it. Alright, guys, so I mixed it, and now it's time to add the contact solution. Alright, guys, I'm gonna add little by little. Guys, it's already coming together. What? Look, guys. I made a slime yesterday. It was same color white, and it had red glitter and gold glitter. I know that I can't touch it. I just did, because then the white stuff is gonna get on your hands. So I'm gonna add a little more contact solution. Alright, and we're gonna mix it. Alright, guys. Alright, oh, it's got all over me. Sorry. Alright, guys. Oh no! Look, guys. Some of the yellows. Oh, I thought I cleaned it all. Most of it off. Yeah, some of it got on the white slime. It's alright, I'll clean it when I'm done. Yeah, but then I'm gonna mix it. Alright, guys, that's about it. I'm gonna mix it. It's not ready yet. I think. I'm not mistaken. Oh no, guys. I think it's at the point that I could take it in the bowl. Not right? I don't think so. Yeah, I think I have to add a little more contact solution. So we'll be back when the slime is done and we'll add the glitter. So guys, I added a glitter and I just noticed that it took a while. So I don't want to keep you guys waiting, so I'll resume the video once I added all the glitter. Alright guys, so we put all the glitter. It's really glittery. And so we're gonna start to put it in. Oh, and guys, if you're wondering why it sounds so weird, it's because oh, hold on guys, look, I found a patch of glitter. Oh yeah, but if you're wondering why the glitter is, when every time I poke it sounds weird, cause I get it, it's supposed to sound like, but if you're wondering why it's like so jiggly, it's not slime, it's because I'm using they have this red one that most people use. I got the foamy one because it's more foamy. It even says it, foamy. But yeah, and that's why it looks like this, because I wanted it to be fluffy. It's really light. I feel like it doesn't even weigh a pound, not even close to a pound. Hi guys. So there's the glitter. Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. Hope you like it and have a good day and a good Halloween. Bye.